Bigla nga nang itugot ni pagsukat ng tan. Harap pagsukat ng tapay. O pagsukat ng tan. Maganda.
Welcome to the Niagara City Cruising.
Excited ang bata. Walang extra damit? Ha?
We're ready for the city cruise.
Init, mas lalo ito.
Hindi malamig dito kasi oh.
We make our way up the Niagara River. Look to port, or the left side of the boat, where we will pass the American Falls. It can best be described as the American side of Niagara Falls, which in comparison is a smaller waterfall that lies far to the left of the Fortune Falls and is located between Prospect and Limestone. Though the height of the American Falls is higher than the Canadian counterpart, no daredevil ever preferred to go over the American Falls. All stunts were performed from the Canadian Fortune Falls, which is more popular with its immense water flow rate and shape. The height of the American Falls stands at 180 feet or 56 meters high. Its crest line, 1,075 feet. Clean and significant source of hydroelectric power. There are over 500 waterfalls in the world taller, but Niagara Falls is the biggest waterfall in the world for volume of water flowing at an average of 750,000 gallons per second. Niagara Falls' interesting facts include the white foam floating on the water is dissolved limestone and is created naturally due to the massive erosion forces of falling water. The height of the Canadian Falls is 170 feet, or 52 meters. The estimated crest line is 2,200 feet, or 670 meters wide, and the depth of the river at the base of the falls is 184 feet, or 56 meters deep. Witness the awesome natural beauty and power of Niagara Falls.
Bigla nga nang itugot ni pagsukat ng tan. Harap pagsukat ng tapay. O pagsukat ng tan. Maganda lang harap nga naman itugot tan.
Basang-basang naman.
Let's go, let's go. I'm wet.
Oh, I'm so wet. Woo! No.
US and Canadian border.
That market USA.
Huh?
That part.
Yeah, that part is USA. The blue one is from the US.
Goes from the US.
Yeah, that one is the border. US, Canada.
Bridge of Hope.